Hi. Hi, Sindhu. So today we're talking to Ajay Sharma, part of our Spotlight on Fathers on the Father's Day episodes that we're running. And Ajay Sharma needs no introduction. He's an actor and a celebrity, and he's a father, I think, most prominently. And we're just waiting for him to join in. And with his lovely wife, Malini Kapoor, they both need no introduction. And their parents to a beautiful baby boy, Kian. And let's see what parenting tips and father's insights Ajay can share with us today. Thank you. Hi, Deepika. We're just waiting for them to join in.
And thank you for welcoming me.
Hello, Ajay. How are you?
I love Mama Couture.
Okay, this is not a brand promo. This is your promo. You're in the spotlight.
Yes, I am actually in the spotlight. It's
Yeah,
falling
I
on
can
top.
see. Yes, lovely, lovely. And where is Malini? She's letting you hold
Malini
the
is
spotlight.
will be here shortly.
Okay,
Yeah,
she
when
wanted to.
she comes, she takes all the limelight because she's my moon.
Ah,
So
wonderful.
it's my moon is lit
Wonderful.
around me, and then she steal
Yes.
my light.
Okay, wonderful. So, Ajay, thank you very much for joining in. We're very excited. And the spotlight is on you because we're celebrating Father's Day at Mama Couture and we're celebrating fathers. I think a lot of love and a lot of regards for a lot of fathers out there. So, do share with us a lot of insights and stuff that you do. So, let's start. Let's start with you. Can you introduce yourself? I don't think you need much introduction, but please do tell us about yourself and let's start from there.
Actually, it's nothing much to talk about me. I'm just a father.
Okay. What do you
Happy
do
Father's Day,
besides?
first of all, to start with. And yeah, I'm sorry, what did you say?
No, no, tell us what you do. Yeah, yeah.
Hi.
Hi. Welcome. The moon is here. The moon has come.
Yeah, the moon is
Yeah.
here.
So see,
Yeah.
my sheen is gone now.
No, but you're looking better, Ajay. Suddenly you're looking better now that Malini has walked into
Yeah,
the
because the light top me is switched off.
switched off. Good lighting. अरे फिर से
But
on
we
हो
look
गया.
even better now.
Hello, Kian. Hi. I should
अब
have
तो
brought
मेरा कोई चांस
Shaila.
नहीं है.
अब तो chance नहीं है. हाँ. Hmm. Okay, that is
Yeah, no.
Kian. Hello.
You say
Hi.
hi, Kian.
Can say hi.
Look at them wearing these twinning t-shirts.
Wow, see, that
Best
is
buds.
T-shirt दिखाओ ना बेटा,
so.
T-shirt दिखाओ.
Okay, okay. I hope Deepika is taking a screenshot on this one. This is very cute. This is very
No,
cute.
I'm not there. Wait, let me come and then take a screenshot.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Deepika, you're taking a screenshot, right? Okay. ठीक है.
Okay.
Oh, that's lovely. Perfect. That's perfect. Deepika is my colleague.
Oh, oh,
I've been
Okay.
talking to him ever
oh.
since.
चल बेटा थोड़ा खड़े हो.
Okay, now I'm sending him away. This was just a quick hi from his side. Okay, Kian, you can say bye and you can go down. He has to go down for a cycling.
Okay. Okay. Hi,
Bye.
bye, sweetie.
Now you know why do I have to send him away?
No, he can stay. He can stay.
No, let him
Okay.
go. He'll only do the talking then.
Okay. So, Kian, your papa is going to talk to us now. Yeah. And
क्या
he's
is
going to tell us. And he's going to tell us what he does with you. He's going to tell us what he does with you.
he he keeps disturbing me.
Tell
Yeah,
him.
bye-bye.
ऐसे ही करना पड़ता है. हाँ.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So,
So he
Ajay,
loves me a lot,
yes.
right
Okay.
from the
Yes.
morning till the end of the night. He keeps cutting, and
Exactly. Let me just fix this.
let us fix it. lot of disturbances.
Lovely.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Good.
Mothers just like it perfect.
Oh,
Yeah.
I agree. Totally with you on that. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So right from the morning, I was saying that as soon as he wakes up, when I wake up, I find Kian atop me, kissing me,
Wow. So
and
sweet.
I have my mornings with his saliva
All over.
because he's kissing me through, all through the
Okay.
face.
Oh my God, that is like, I have a dog and I can resonate. I had two
Yeah.
dogs, I'm not joking, and I'm saying this that I don't mind. People say that how do you let your dog? I said even if Shaina, my daughter, does it, I don't mind. Like, I mean, once you it's exactly like that. Oh, that is
Exactly.
amazing.
So I couldn't have a dog, so God gave me Kian.
I have two people licking my face. Okay, wonderful. So Ajay, tell us
So
that
you know the
what
feeling, I'm sure.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying. That I started with a dog, and then this China happened, and then it continues now. So I have two varieties.
So then you get to know the sugar movie.
Yeah. Yes. Absolutely. Okay. So Malini, do tell us how is your morning? How does Kian leave you and jump onto Ajay?
See, he jumps on to Ajay when I'm not reacting to his kisses and I want to sleep a little longer. Then he's like, "Arey yaar, Mama is not reacting." Then he goes down to Papa.
Actually, her whole face is covered with her hair, so he can't find her face to kiss on.
No, yeah,
And
mornings
I
are
got
beautiful. Honestly speaking, after we've had Kian, mornings are magical, and especially mornings, because that's when a child is a little slow
Yeah.
and his cutest best,
yeah.
he will just look at you slowly. He will gain his energy back and stuff like that. तो उस टाइम पे इतना प्यार आता है, आपको ऐसा लगता है वाओ, काश मेरा बच्चा इतना ही शांत होता.
I
But then
know.
as the day begins,
It
Yes.
passes.
Yes. Reality hits.
yeah.
Yeah. But Ajay, what do you do with him as you wake up? Then he does all that, and that's become a routine now. That's how he wakes you up in the morning. And what do you do
So
after
we have
that?
a habit of having morning tea. So Kian, jumps on me, kisses me, and then he asks, "Chalo, Papa, chai peete hain." Although he does not have tea, but he has this, standard dialogue which she always keeps saying that, "Chalo, Ajay, chai peete hain." So Kian imitates her, "Chalo, Papa, chai peete hain." And
Oh,
then he would, call out Chaya, who's our help, and he asked Chaya, "Chalo, Chaya, chai bana do."
And all this is very recent, हाँ श्रद्धा. मतलब
okay.
उसने अभी sentences form करना शुरू किया है. So
That is
this was,
very
I
cool.
think, about a week back when he
Yeah.
said it for the first time.
Oh.
Utho mama was happening, but that makes it only 2 words. But suddenly he says, "Utho mama, chai peete hain."
Oh.
And I was like, "What did you just say?" He said, "Utho, chai peete hain." And I woke him up. I said, "Ajay, उसने पहली बार sentence form किया है, please get up and let's make tea and give him tea."
Absolutely.
So
And
then
I have a habit of working till late night. So
Okay.
other day it so happened that he came to me and said, I was working on my laptop, and he said, "Papa, sab band karo. Chalo, let's sleep."
Oh my God.
Versa
My
is saying chai peete hain is nice.
Chai peete hain.
They must have seen it on my stories,
Yeah. And we see, actually, I must say that. So, how do you engage him in your stories? Does he happily come in and participate, or does he get conscious of the camera or something, or is he very comfortable?
You
Actually,
just saw him. Was he conscious?
Yeah, actually,
It wasn't a
yeah.
planned, move. He just came and he was just doing his bits.
Absolutely.
So
Yeah.
we have to do the concepts according to him. Not that what we perceive first and then accordingly he behaves, it's vice versa.
Yeah.
so we don't make him do things, he makes us do things. So when, of course, बहुत सारी हरकतें and everything that is cute. I have this habit of immediately, taking a video, to which he would get irritated पहले. And now he's also gotten used to, thank God. And then he understands, where am I coming from? I have no memories of my bachpan. So obviously we didn't have these phones back then, और अगर कुछ pictures हैं भी तो those are just the album pictures.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know. In a video,
Yeah.
I've never seen myself when I was 2 or 3 or even 10. How was it?
How were we
So
doing?
I
Yeah.
want to accumulate as many memories as I want, and that's what we keep doing. That
Yes,
Saturday.
Deepak is saying that actors ka beta, he is leading. Yes, of course, he is now leading us, and he is this, example
lead.
we are following.
Yeah, and he's the lead in your lives anyway. So he's going to lead
Oh
you, right?
yes.
Definitely, definitely. So does he understand you guys are actors? Just going with Deepak's point, does he know what is acting, or has he gone to your sets? Does he understand?
He didn't need to actually. When he was 10 months old, he did an TV commercial with Amitabh Bachchan ji. So we, as parents, went to his set.
Yeah, we went to his sets, you
Oh
know.
my God. Oh my God. Okay, so he understands camera, action, light, and he understands set and studio and all that. Okay.
Varsha,
So
you should. Varsha is
that's
saying,
all.
I'm sorry, I was just
Yeah.
reading the comment. वर्षा यू शुड
Yeah.
एक्चुअली हमारे टाइम पे तो ये फैसिलिटीज नहीं थी इतना सारा टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं थी बट शी इज सेइंग दैट आई एम कैप्चरिंग ईच एंड एवरी मोमेंट ऑफ माय चाइल्ड सो यस वन
Yeah.
वन शुड डू दैट so that when they grow up they have fond memories of their bachpan.
Yeah,
So
absolutely.
coming back to your question, I don't know if he understands shoot and all. I don't know, but I know whatever we are doing, he's enjoying it.
Yeah,
And of
no
course,
one day he said that chalo papa shooting karte hain.
हाँ. So he's surprising us every day, yeah.
Yeah, chalo papa shooting करना है. नला ओके बेटा क्या शूट करोगे आप.
So he knows the word shooting and he knows what shooting is. Of course, I mean, जब से lockdown हुआ है, we've shot a couple of ad films from home. We are floating our own videos. We are making content for YouTube.
Yes, yes.
So he's seeing that around him, you know, that too in the house because lockdown was we are not going for the shoot. We are shooting everything from home.
Yeah.
So I'm sure somewhere he knows ki okay,
Yeah.
this is shoot.
This is your life, basically, camera
Yeah.
and everything. Yes, wonderful. So Ajay,
So also we have,
yeah. No, no.
नहीं नहीं आप
नहीं,
yeah,
Ajay
because of
बोलेंगे.
the
आज तो
lockdown we
Ajay
are
बोलेंगे.
also because of the lockdown we are also getting this opportunity to explore ourselves. Being actors, you know what we do is that we go on the sets, we act whatever the scene we are given with, but then right now what we are doing is that we are creating our own content. So
Yeah.
that's keeping us really busy, and we have explored this aspect wonderfully well. I'm sure our audiences are liking it already.
Yes.
So ये एक opportunity we have got in this
Yes,
lockdown.
yes.
So,
And I think you guys are doing a
yes.
fab job because making your own videos and they are hilarious. I must tell you, what all you
Oh, do
guys
you
do
watch?
together.
You
Of
watch?
course, I watch. I'm following Malini. I wasn't following you, but I will follow you. But it is hilarious. It is fantastic, guys. And I've written to Malini as well that you guys are doing such a fab job. Really, it's so
Thank you.
just simply
Yeah.
both of you with zero props, just running the camera, running the dialogues. Fantastic, guys. Fantastic. Seriously.
Thank you. Keep
Yeah.
watching.
Ronita, hi, Ronita. Ronita is actually our neighbor.
No,
Thank you.
no, that's
Oh.
see, that's the goof up I was talking.
Ronita, oh, I'm sorry. I can be your neighbor too, Ronita. Thank you so much for watching. So,
Okay.
thank you, Ronita Mukherjee.
Okay.
Thanks, Ranita.
अरे मजा आ रहा है यार ये सब करने में. This is my first live session on Insta.
Oh, yay. Great,
I've
great,
been a
great.
live person. I'm always the behind the camera guy or on the camera guy, but not as in live format. This is the first time I'm doing live format.
It's nice, na?
Malini is preparing her next script in the mind. Na? She's thinking, कि अब क्या करना है? He's okay with life. Okay. So Ajay, I will bring us back to you as a father again. I will ask you simple points that what do you remember your dad and how do you see yourself as a father? Is there anything you feel that comes from how you were raised or something like that?
Yeah, actually, honestly speaking, I never wanted to be a father. Never, ever. Because I used to look my father and I thought I would think that it's a kind of boring job. Because we did not have a very good, hold on. Yeah, we did not have a very good camaraderie with our dad. He was always busy in his business and he would come late and we wouldn't spend so much time together. So I thought, yeah, it's a boring job, I don't want to be that guy who comes late in the night and wouldn't spend time with its child and your child gets bored. So,
Yeah.
but
Okay.
he had his own reasons that he was quite busy and
those times were
So
different.
I
I don't think they knew what to do with the children also. They were very
exactly
different.
times were different. So I would think that nahi yaar, ye father ka job. I wouldn't take up this job as father. But then when Kian happened, he was such a child that he would, we didn't have to do anything. We
Hmm.
didn't have to plan anything.
Hmm.
And he has just been keeping us on toes in a most fabulous way. We are so entertained and thrilled throughout the journey so far. And every day is a different experience altogether, fun filled,
Fantastic.
and we love
Fantastic.
it. But I
Lovely.
didn't know that being father is going to be so much fun.
Yeah. No, and we
So
see that. And we see that actually that's amazing what you say that because we see that you have fun in the videos and you bring them on stories and all that. This is just, I think, proof of social media is just a way of showing the people what you're doing. I think people don't know how to be with their kids. And it's amazing the new parenting, equal parenting. I think people try to bond and engage with the children. And I think that's
but
exactly what you
a
guys
lot
are
of
showing. Yeah.
lot of credit goes to our profession also, for
Okay,
that
how's
matter,
that?
because I just given my example of my father who was so busy in his profession, but being actors, life gives us opportunity to spend time with our families when we are not shooting. But when we are shooting, we are 12 hours on the sets. But when we are
Yeah.
not shooting, then it's all the time in the
Gives you
world.
time. Gives you time.
So
Okay.
also I'm thankful that being actors we have exploring life with a child.
Yeah, oh, lovely. That's good. I'm sure very few people can give credit to their profession to give them time to spend with the child. I mean, we are all struggling to find time to spend with the child. So this is very
Exactly,
nice.
exactly.
Very nice. Very
Yeah.
nice. So tell me, as a dad, are you softer or are you stricter? I mean, he's too tiny, I know, but do you feel nahi manners to karne isko sikhana to hai and all? Are you strict that way or you
No,
how are you guys?
not at all, not at all. Actually,
Okay.
and again, my father was very strict, so I was kind of terrified.
Hmm.
Don't speak.
Yeah,
If you
yeah.
speak, he will
Yeah, yeah,
be
yeah, yeah, yeah.
really
Yeah,
strict
yeah.
on you. But then, Kian is not such a child. He's so cute. You have seen him. Look at him. I mean, who can be
Yeah, yeah. I
rude with
know.
Kian?
Yeah,
But
yeah.
I can be. I have
yeah,
to
but
be.
not rude as in being
Strict,
strict is
strict. Yeah,
another thing.
yeah.
And when Kian is little going off place and being indisciplined, then
Hmm.
Malini is the one who goes on the stricter side, not me. I'm
Okay.
always lenient, I'm always loving, and I'm just spoiling him day in and day out.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
he doesn't scold him also. And
Yeah.
even when he's scolding, he's actually acting.
Yeah.
Kian, क्या कर रहे हो? I'm like, where is the volume in your dance? He's like, नहीं volume की जरूरत नहीं है. I said, but your eyes are also not big. He's like, नहीं eyes की भी big जरूरत नहीं है. He understands. I doesn't understand dance. I have to train him.
To the kids, I think fathers are just so hesitant to be strict or loud or anything. They're very, very careful. Definitely. Very nice. Very nice.
So even if I'm scolding him,
Yeah.
uh, like if I'm showing him my eyes like this, and I tell him that Kian, don't do it, and he just looks into my eyes like this and say,
Yeah.
and then I can't stop my laughter.
Yeah.
Then I
Yeah.
have to laugh, and
They
then he
have
gets
to.
along. So he understands that even if Papa is scolding me, I just have to look for a couple of seconds into his eyes, and then I'll break a laugh, and then he'll follow me, and then
Follow you. Yeah,
Masti
yeah,
will
yeah,
go
yeah.
on.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
the
All
villain
moms.
here.
Yeah, yeah. All moms are villains. Yeah. I mean, I totally
Yeah.
understand you. I fight with my husband on the same points. I'm like, please say something. And she's a daughter. She's 5 years old. I think they don't understand scolding. They don't understand strictness. Nothing. They're just another level of pamperedness
You
that
know,
we've
I
done to
was
them.
so hopeful. I kept asking my other friends who have older kids. I was like, listen, it gets easier with time, na? It does get easier, na? And they just look at me and they're like, no.
No.
Varsha,
Every
Radhamir,
day is a thing. It was sorry that was that Naisha?
I was just reading one of the comments. Varsha
Okay.
Lalani is saying that my father never scolds me. So good, yaar, Varsha. I love your father.
Yeah. Varsha, how old are you? We have to find out how old is Varsha. Then we'll know
Ah.
that how
Oh.
kind is the father. Yeah.
Actually, it's
Okay.
irrespective of the oldness factor, because my father still scolds me. I'm 35 and he still scolds me.
Yeah, there's absolutely no way that dads think that you're big enough not to be scolded. I totally same for my dad as well. If he feels that this is out of line, he will tell you. He will tell you this is not happening. So yes, that's sorry. Okay, so and tell me, so Ajay again. I think Kian being so cute. Obviously, I totally understand. You can't even get angry and all. I think Manvi also has to put up a really tough side to herself to scold that little one. I totally understand. So, how do you guys decide? You do always play good cop, bad cop, or does he understand? I'm going to tease this parent, and then I'm going to, play with the other one. How does it work? Do you guys know when you're being played also?
I'm always a good cop. She plays good and bad cop both.
Ah. And I'm sure he knows that.
Yeah, very recently I did notice, a couple of times when Ajay was trying to scold him, he would come to me and he would say, कि, Mama, देखा, 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 one or two words only he says, ना एक आधी line तो बहुत कम, देखा, देखा. So he knows कि देखा पापा ने कैसे बोला. And अगर मैंने डांटा तो he would go to him and literally पापा पापा देखा देखा मम्मा ने कैसे बोला देखा. So he does understand कि okay, I can find some solace and rescue in the other ones.
Other
But
one,
we try to
right?
balance. We try to
And while
balance.
making him sleep in the night, when we tell him, Kian, soja, sleep now, it's late night. And of course, she says, so he's not budging to it. And Malu says, this is the expression which says that it's now enough. Now go to sleep. So he says, Papa, Mama,
So he's basically complaining to him about me, and when I'm so
By the time I'm half asleep and he wakes me up, Papa, मैं बोलता हूँ, हाँ, Mama,
No.
he
Like,
saves
rescue
me.
me. Yeah, exactly,
Yeah,
exactly.
yeah.
Okay, so Ajay, again, what is your favorite time of the day? Like what, okay, rather in lockdown, I think we all have had more time to spend with our little ones at home. How have you found any sort of routine or something? Just take us through your day. How are you with him after waking
yeah, the
up and
best
getting
time
looked
is
at?
the best time is again morning when he wakes me up, because and also night while sleeping, and both the times he has got high energies. I don't know what gets into him in night while sleeping. Just before sleeping half an hour, he is so like a maverick. He just turns everything around. He
Wow.
goes haywire and he's uncontrollable.
But you
So
enjoy
I don't
that. You
know.
you play along and you do all of
We
that.
both
Yeah.
love it. I was
Yeah.
just so scared that he's so energetic that he might not end up hurting himself.
Yeah, yeah, true, true, true. Something about that
He's
9
like a little.
9 p.m. energy with the kids.
Yeah.
Acha, is it usual thing?
I'm not the more the more
Yeah.
I talk to parents, I think I do hear that there is a morning and there's an evening and there's a huge burst of energy,
Oh,
which is
yeah.
yeah. So
He became
they
supernova. Yeah?
do.
Burst of energy is
Yes,
understatement.
bilkul, bilkul, and they
And
get
by
hurt.
night we are so exhausted. By
हाँ.
night we are so exhausted and they're so full of energy. So seesaw is like this. Oh my God, अब क्या करें?
Yeah.
And
So I
imagine
have to
you're
actually.
sleeping and then
हाँ.
he's saying,
हाँ.
Mama,
And you have to react and you have to do something. Yes, I know,
Yeah.
absolutely, absolutely. Okay,
True.
and what is Ajay? I think do you have those sort of ambitions for him already? I have to ask you this because a lot of parents already say, "Nahi, nahi, they are going to get into IIT, IIM, and they're going to do all of that. ये तो पढ़ाई वढ़ाई करनी पड़ेगी." Well, how do you see Kian today? How do you see yourself with him 15 years from now? What do you think he's going to be like?
Yeah, honestly speaking, I don't perceive Kian to be any specific thing in his life or profession wise. But when he was born, I don't know. I thought that he would be an actor. Of course, we both are actors. But then, more than acting, he showed his passion in drumming. And I don't know
Oh,
where did this come from.
wow.
He as soon as he started walking, or even before he started walking, he used to beat drums in a rhythmic pattern, and it was so amazing that we would be so mesmerized that where does this come from? So I think
Wow.
that he will do something in music because
Fantastic.
he is a good percussionist, not with the drums, with tabla or whatever thing. He
Yeah.
has that sense of rhythm, and he
Fantastic.
play them on the beat. Every
Oh,
instrument he
wow.
gets hold on to, he
Yeah.
is it with the beat. So he's got that
Fantastic.
beat sense and music sense. So I think that he has got a knack of it.
Lovely.
But as
Let's
far
see.
as choice goes, I don't think we are parents who would want our child to do what we want. We would want to sit back and observe what is he good at, what is he enjoying more than anything else. That is the need of the art. That has always been actually. You must always do what you enjoy.
Yeah.
What is the
Yeah.
point otherwise? One life.
Yes.
Also, he
Yes.
plays very good football.
Oh,
He dribbles,
okay.
he dribbles the ball very well,
Okay.
and
You're an obsessed father.
no, I'm not. I mean, see, there are some
No, but
videos of
yeah, this is going to happen.
there are some videos of Kian, and whoever has seen him play football so far has only suggested us that you should put him into football coaching and all, but he's too small for it.
Yeah.
But he's again got that coordination of running and dribbling the ball alongside.
Fantastic.
So it's not that I am being obsessed about him, but then I mean he's got a little knack of football as well. So I think somebody told me there is a very good combination of football and drummers. There have been some examples where people are both good drummer and footballer.
Oh, lovely. Okay, but that is right there for you speaking about at least he's showing you some talent, so at least you leave it to him and
Exactly.
decide
So,
what he wants to do. Yeah.
right. Once
Right.
I took him to a football club also, but he
Ah,
was turned away by the
yeah.
coach saying that
He's too young.
he's
Tiny.
too young, and he was
He's too tiny. He's
the
too
other
tiny.
grown-up children were disturbed by his presence there because he wouldn't take instruction from the coach.
Yeah, they don't listen to instruction. They can't understand discipline before I think they say age of 5,
Exactly.
but it's good. And he's
Right.
back. He's back from the park, is it?
Yeah, he's
he's
back.
back.
Can come here?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to join the conversation?
Yes. Let him join the conversation. Yeah.
Can come here? Come here, baby. Come here.
Hello.
हाँ मम्मा.
He says, "Hi, Mama."
Hold
Oh
on.
my God.
Okay, come.
Here. क्या? कौन है?
Hello.
बोलो.
Say hi. बोला आप कैसे हो? How are you?
Oh, I should get my little one, but she's downstairs. I'm going to get her. You know, Kian, I have a little one as well. She's 5 years old. How old are you, Kian?
अच्छा से क्या?
भाग गया.
Very boring, auntie. Okay, fine. Okay. I'm joking. Okay, wonderful. So, Ajay, tell us, what is Father's Day to you? Do you guys bake a cake, or do you guys? Does he understand, or does he know Mother's Day more, or does he do something on Father's Day? How do you guys celebrate?
Oh, I'm sorry. I was just reading the comment below.
No problem. I'll tell you how we. अच्छा, you only say, and please tell her the truth.
Okay. Sorry. What was the question? I was engaged in
How,
reading the comment.
no problem. I said, how do you celebrate Father's Day with Kian and at home?
Father's Day. This is just my second Father Day. So first time when I celebrated it, we were in Delhi, and it was quite hot. So we were trying to keep our heels cooler there. And how did we celebrate it? I actually quite don't
And
remember
this
it because
time-
every day is a Father's Day for me.
Wow,
No, this time
lovely.
it was practically shooting the entire day, and now we'll see. We'll probably take him out or something.
Okay. Does he understand
We'll
all
just
these
stand up
concepts?
sometime.
Okay. Oh, acha.
But
Okay,
honestly
congrats.
speaking, if you ask me honestly, these Mother's Day, Father's Day, and whatever days they are, I don't much, I don't believe in them much.
Yeah.
Because I think there shouldn't be a particular day to celebrate such occasions or such people like woman or mother or wife, whatever it is. So
I love them. So here's the seesaw again.
No, but I agree. I think from an emotional perspective or from a connection perspective, every day is valuable to these kids and every day is valuable to us that we spend with them. So I think you're absolutely right. I think all we
just saying my mother Happy Mother's Day, I
Yeah.
do it next day. I do it the very next day. So I don't say that it's belated. I just say that today I'm feeling more emotional than yesterday. So
Yeah,
accept
Ajay.
my happy Mother's Day wish.
Happy. How sweet. How sweet. How sweet. Yes, I know it's just when you want to wish and when you want to do anything, absolutely. So these kids, I think nowadays make you participate in their lives also so much more. Like Malini was saying that do ask us. Like one of the questions that we had was how do we engage or how do we do activities with Kian? I think you said that you spend your mornings till evening. He tells you what you want to do. You guys just dance to his tunes like any parent, I think. And as a father, because we are talking to fathers, I think you're highly engaged, Ajay, and that is adorable. I think mothers are always engaged. That's the given. It's wonderful to see. Hello, Kian. Hello.
Okay.
Hi. Hi.
Hi, Kian. You know what? Why are we talking to your papa today and your mama?
बोलो क्या? बोलो पापा, Happy Father's Day.
Every day is Father's Day. Yeah? Every day is Father's Day. Yes, but thank you so much. And that's all from my end. Thank you so much. This is wonderful chatting with you guys. And Ajay, I mean, I'm wishing you a happy Father's Day every day. No, there he is.
Thank you
And
so much, yaar.
not at all.
And
This is wonderful.
you have made me feel really special today.
You are
Um,
special. You are special. You are a father to Kian, husband to Malini. You are special. Every day, that's why we said that it's difficult to express how dads are engaged with kids today, how beautifully complete the family. I think they don't get enough spotlight, is what we say. So we are all about the mothers. Mama Couture is all about the moms, but we really feel that the picture gets complete with both of you, I think, and that's what
so
is
I
what
wish
we're
you,
very
I wish you
privileged.
have a subsidiary to Mama Couture's named Papa Couture.
Men's
You all
fashion
don't
to
have to
me is
change
never
your
boring.
clothing, na?
Yeah.
We
What am
don't
I
have to change
saying?
your clothing if you're a dad, but we have to, at every stage.
Every stage, before,
True,
pre,
true,
during,
true.
after.
Agreed,
Yes,
agreed.
agreed. I know, but yes, thank you for the suggestion. We will think of it. You have a lot of following, and a lot of people are saying something. You can say hi to them, Malini and Ajay. I think
Hello.
a lot of
Hi,
them are
guys.
writing.
Yeah, and especially Varsha, I loved your comments. She mentioned that I just recalled Three Idiots because she just mentioned that engineer ka beta engineer ko. I do agree with you that we all have free will and free choices in life to be what we want to be. So
Absolutely.
yeah, Varsha.
And everybody else too. Hi. Deepika was also saying something. We missed it.
Deepika was reacting to Ajay's all the funny ones and you are Malini. She was just doing ha 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 and ha ha ha.
She's damn cute, yeah.
She is highly cute. My God, always full. She's your supernova in our office. Deepika is supernova.
Oh,
I know, I
Deepika
know.
Shanta.
convey my regards to her. I have never got the opportunity to speak to her, so convey my regards to Deepika.
Will definitely. Okay, guys. Thank you. Have a wonderful
Okay.
evening, and we will connect soon. But thank you again, Ajay. The spotlight remains on you. Have a wonderful life, wonderful year. And Malini, thank you for joining in. Yes, always there, always there. Thank you.
Thank you. We had
Thank
a good
you.
session. Lovely talking.
Lovely,
He
lovely
wants to
chatting.
say bye.
कियान का भी बाय ले लो भाई.
Bye, Kian.
Oh, bye, Kian. Thank you for joining us today. And he's gone.
कियान से
He's
बोलो
just there.
चाय पीना है. कियान बोलो चाय पीना है, चाय पीते हैं.
अभी बोलेगा वो कुछ. When you want the kids to speak, they will never speak.
कियान बोलो चाय पीते हैं.
चाय का
नहीं
टाइम
बोलेगा.
हो गया. चाय बन गई. आज दीदी चाय बन गई.
चाय पीनी है आपको क्या?
नहीं.
His
अच्छा,
chai is
चलो.
basically milk with Bournvita. He thinks it's tea. So he's, sitting with us as an equal and he's having his tea. I mean, his tea. This is what my mother-in-law taught me. She said, make him sit with you. Let him believe he's having tea. That's how he'll have milk.
Engagement. The mums know it
Yeah.
best. So Ajay, Deepika is giving her regards back to you.
Hey Deepika,
Okay.
thank you.
Okay, guys. Thank you so much.
Okay. Bye, Kian. Love you guys. Amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank
All the
you.
best.
Bye.
See you.
Bye.
Bye. See you.
बोल रहे कट 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 कियान.
कट करो क्या? यहाँ से क्रॉस करो क्रॉस.
हाँ, आप कर
Thank
दो.
you.
आप कर दो.
Cross
आप
करो.
कर दो. हाँ.
हाँ आप मत करना, वो बहुत रोएगा वरना.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, आप करो आप करो.
Bye.
बाय.
Okay, can leave. से पहले बोलो बाय and leave.
बाय.
हंस के बताओ थोड़ा.
Leave,
Leave गया.
leave.
क्या?
Come on, यार आंटी
हंस के बाय बोलो. क्या हंस के बाय बोलो. क्या
Okay,
थोड़ा सा
now
हंस के
leave.
बाय बोलो.
अच्छा बोलो बाय.
Bye. See you.